I thought it went brilliantly. It was a great day of celebrations, a sense of pride from the parents, from friends, families, and then the students. They were just really excited and so thrilled to be here and, getting the recognition they deserve. So proud. I mean, many of them have graduated whilst they're working. Some have graduated whilst they're, on submarines. We've got an amazing, diverse array of students here, but incredibly proud, to be collecting degrees. Perhaps for the first time, a degree in your family, for young people, and then for people who are, in the workplace and getting qualifications. So a great day. They make us recognise and stop and remember what we do, which is, enable people to achieve their dreams, be able to progress in their careers, to get great jobs, and that's what Wiltshire College University Centre is about, getting people onto the next stage of their careers. I think it's part of the recognition we're starting to gain for our higher level provision, part of getting the new name of the University Centre, really celebrating what the college does and actually giving us the profile we deserve in the region and the economy. We're always so pleased and proud to be in Salisbury Cathedral. It's such a magnificent setting and it embodies the sort of spirit of Salisbury. Great setting, great place for the college and the University Centre to have its graduation ceremony.